Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with today's edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. We bring some latest WWE news and update including WWE Raw preview, while Vince McMahon thought in Matt Riddle, and more other important WWE stories. So watch this video till the end to not miss out any important WWE updates. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video.
Number 5 is WWE Raw preview matches and results. This week's Raw episode is a go-home edition of WWE TLC 2020 pay-per-view. WWE announced few matches for this week's Raw episode. The most interesting thing on the show is Drew McIntyre's TLC challenger, AJ Styles face Sheamus. There is no chance that AJ Styles lose here, so easily he score victory over Sheamus. Other things that could happen in this match is Drew McIntyre make interference and cause the match to AJ Styles. While Lana also faces her one of TLC opponent Nia Jax on the Raw episode. Lana and Asuka have a match against Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler for Women's Tag Team Championship. So maybe this time Nia Jax take a revenge for previous losses and pick up a win because WWE wants to Lana that enter in TLC match as a big underdog. Current Raw Tag Team Champions, the New Day team up with Jeff Hardy to face the Hurt Business. So maybe WWE book this match result in disqualification manner because WWE does not want to show any team weak ahead of TLC pay-per-view. There is another AJ Styles segment is announced that he addressed WWE Universe alongside The Miz and John Morrison in the Nightmare Before TLC segment. Here is what WWE's announcement. The Phenomenal One plans to bring the Nightmare Before TLC to Raw this Monday to display what in store for WWE Championship in table, ladders and chairs match. The Miz and Morrison will back up Styles for his terrifying display, as Mr. Money in the Bank is on hopes to delivering Sleepless Night to the King of Claymore Country. Another interesting segment that WWE announced for this week's Raw will be Bray Wyatt alongside the Firefly Funhouse friends Huskies the Pig and Baby the Witch. Bray Wyatt will be tape field trip to WWE Thunderdome.
Number 4 is Vince McMahon thought on Matt Riddle. Right now, Matt Riddle one of those WWE superstars who regularly appear on Raw episode. WWE also changed his name and now is known as a Riddle. Now WWE rumors stated that Vince McMahon is a very positive and like Matt Riddle. Vince McMahon thinks that Riddle is a very funny in his own ways. However, Vince McMahon still not understand Matt Riddle's gimmick and his whole bro theme. According to WWE latest news, Vince McMahon considers Matt Riddle as worthy to give regular TV time, but he is not see Matt Riddle as a main event superstar. Matt Riddle debuted on main roster in May 2020. On his debut, he shocked fans when he defeated that time's Intercontinental Champion AJ Styles in non-title match. Then WWE also gave him a title shot against AJ Styles, but he lost that match. Then he started his feud against the King Corbin, but he did not last long. During Draft 2020, he moved from SmackDown to Raw. He also part of winning team of Raw in Survivor Series 2020. Now he proposed to make a tag team with Jeff Hardy known as the Hardy Bros. Seems like a good team, so let's see WWE go this direction or not. Number 3 is Booker T make WWE return as a manager. In the recent podcast episode, one of the fans asked Booker T that he would come back to WWE as a manager. In reply, Booker T said that there is not interested to play a role of manager in WWE because right now he is no interest in wrestling on TV. Booker T then added that he is all interested right now to train next generation wrestler and passing a skill and knowledge to them. Here is what Booker T replied. Nah man, that is not my role, being a manager or anything like that. I love what MVP is doing and for him is able to be in the role and to make a work for him as long as possible can. I am down with it, but for me, it's just a different stage of my life as far as wanting to be a seen on television doing wrestling. I love being able to train, I love being able to coach and pass that knowledge to young coming up guys to right now. Booker T also explained why he does not want to return WWE. He said that he is not that same spring in his spike when he is early in his career. Booker T wants to fans to only remember those memorable things about him that he did. He is in prime career. Here is what Booker T says. I always thought that I was the best I could be when I performed and I always wanted to be the best and get back now. Knowing I am definitely not the same person that I was back then. I don't have the same step as I did. I am not going to be able to fly as I did before. I never want people to lose the image of Booker T and the way I wanted there and did throughout all my career. Booker T is right now on his own promotion called The Reality of Wrestling. In his promotion, he is helping the next generation wrestler to get back in shape. Number 2 is Lana on WWE plans to bring back dropped storyline. This would be the first time that WWE bring back dropped or abandoned storyline. WWE plans in work right now that is bring back Lana and Liv Morgan storyline, which is dropped by WWE in January 2020. It's been almost 1 year that Liv Morgan make her WWE return and objecting to the marriage of Lana and Bobby Lashley. But this angle would be nowhere apart from the few Raw matches as well as Royal Rumble spot. Then WWE decided to drop this storyline without any conclusion. In the recent interview, Lana said that she was thrilled to work with Liv Morgan earlier. Here is Lana's words. I love Liv Morgan so much. Lana told that I was excited to do what we did because Liv Morgan is one of the best, my friend. And I have been close with her over the years, and really our bond for wrestling. We love WWE. We love wrestling so much, and as you know, we have an incredible bond. I can see story picking up anytime, any day. Do you know? I think it's a very, very compelling stories, and I have loved to revisit it. So that's what I was told. This is what going to revisit at some point. So I am looking forward to revisiting it at some point. But right now, Lana is on Raw and Liv Morgan is on SmackDown brand. So we can expect that this storyline does not happen anytime soon. But we can also expect that after Superstars take up next, these two women come on the same brand. Lana also get the tag team title shot and chance to high on WWE could give him her title right now. So maybe WWE also plans to tag team champions feud where Lana and Liv Morgan involved. What do you think, guys? Do you want to WWE revive the Lana Liv Morgan love angle? Write us in comment section. Number 1 is Braun Strowman inspiring body transformation. In 2015, Braun Strowman made his WWE debut as a Wyatt family member. Over the last few years, Braun Strowman goes through many character changes and he also works hard for his physics. Recently, Braun Strowman posted before and after photo of social media. On this photo, we can see the amazing body transformation of Braun Strowman. If we compare the before-after photo, then it's seen that how much Braun Strowman does hard work on his body, and right now he is in the best shape of his life. Braun Strowman had an amazing 2020 year where he became an Intercontinental Champion and then Universal Champion. Right now he is suspended by WWE in a storyline angle because he gets hand on WWE official Adam Pearce on Raw episode. WWE rumors also said earlier that WWE plans to do Drew McIntyre vs Braun Strowman for WWE Championship match at WWE TLC 2020 pay-per-view. But it did not happen. So we can expect that Braun Strowman could get title shot against Drew McIntyre sooner or maybe at Royal Rumble 2021. This is all from our edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. Hope you will enjoy it. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notifications. So see you guys in our next video.